A magical combination. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna make scones with white chocolate and cranberry. And we're starting right off by turning our oven up to 200 degrees Celsius. And now for the scones. Add flour, baking powder, sugar, butter, milk, heavy cream, egg, white chocolate and cranberry into a kitchen machine. Turn your machine on and let it do its magic until everything is well combined. Meanwhile, sprinkle some flour onto your working area, and when your dough is well combined, bring it out and flatten it out until it's 2 cm thick. Then bring out your circle form or a cup or a glass and press out circles. Place all of them on a baking sheet covered in baking paper and bake them inside the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. These scones are the best when they are hot, so eat them right away, don't waste a second. And the combination of white chocolate and cranberry is absolutely out of this world, and that actually comes from a person who doesn't like cranberry at all. So if you don't like cranberries either, you really should give this recipe a try. Give us some feedback. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in another video tomorrow. Bye!